severe thunderstorm warning for.
Are you serious?
County in northwestern Pennsylvania, northern Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Oakwood, or near Newcastle, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible.
Should I have kept it on?
Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Newcastle, New Wilmington, Oakwood, Newcastle Northwest, Pulaski, Bessemer, New Bedford, Plain Grove Township, South Newcastle, Harlansburg, Vullet, and Rose Point Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the Township, South Newcastle, Harlansburg, Vullet, and Rose Point Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: the nearshore marine forecast, Lawrence and Mercer. For the following marine location: Geneva on the Lake to Conneaut. West of today, southwest.
Are you serious, PBZ?
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Jefferson County in east central Ohio, south central Columbiana County in east central Carroll County in east central Ohio, until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Carrollton, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and vehicle-sized hail.
I'm here on official ghost, and they didn't know it's here.
Expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Carrollton, Salineville, Bernals, Amsterdam, Summitville, Mackinac-Town, Harlem Springs, and Kilgore. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, and Columbiana. The urgent weather message. A flash flood warning. For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Lawrence, Mercer, and Venango. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for southern Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Venango County in northwestern Pennsylvania, northern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 1.5 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Newcastle, Grove City, Shatner Northview, Slippery Rock, New Wilmington, Oakwood, Newcastle Northwest, New Beaver, Bessemer, New Bedford, Harrisville, Plain Grove Township, South Newcastle, Clintonville, West Liberty, Eau Claire, Harlansburg, Portersville, and Barkerville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Lawrence, Mercer, and Venango. The current...
This might explain to you why there's a flash flood warning. Yeah.